When you're dealing with the Dells or the IBMs, you're just a number, and support is not always what it is. My name is Bob Churchfield. I am the Director of IT Infrastructure here at Ravana. We are here at our data center, Metal Pittsburgh today. We just took delivery of a brand new JetStor 24-bay JBOD. We've added that onto an existing 24-bay unit that was about 305 terabytes in size, bringing our total of that unit up to about 675 terabytes of usable space. I've been working with JetStor now for about 20 years. I believe it was 2004 when we bought our first 16-bay SCSI unit, which had probably 8 gigabyte drives in it. And here we are 20 years later with countless JetStor units, from that 8 gig SCSI unit up to 2 petabytes of flash in multiple locations. The reason we keep coming back is the relationship, the cost, and the performance. It's hard to get that all in one package, and we are looking forward to working with JetStor now and well into the future.